Let's send it over to pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Alan, the S&P is making gains.
Hello, Angie. We had another positive price week, even though it maybe didn't feel like it. The stocks still were solid with all of the global tensions happening around the world.
Anything else worth noting?
Also, last week was big because it was the anniversary of the low. The low made last October. We've been up 25% since that extreme low in the S&P, and there's still a gap up above at 4,400 to fill from September. So there are some positives as we look at it right now.
You seem to be in a celebratory mood.
All right, the other celebration that I wanted to talk about was that it was a 1-year anniversary of the 100% consensus that there was going to be a recession. Not so much. So let's talk about what the market's not doing as much as what it is doing.
What's your trade of the day, Alan?
All right, today's trade, I'm looking at Cleveland Cliffs. I'm from Upper Michigan. I'm an iron ore guy, so I'm Peter Lynching this particular trade. It's a nice setup. We often trade Cleveland Cliffs. I'm very familiar with how the market moves, and what I'm seeing here is some leverage buying and options, which is very much a positive for this stock as people are getting very bullish.
What's happening behind the scenes with this stock?
All right, Cleveland Cliffs, CLF, trading about 15 and a quarter. It's 50% off the 2022 top, and it's 30% from the February high. Now, we've been between 10 and 30 for a number of years here, so 15 is a midpoint pivot to keep an eye on. And recently, we've been between 14 and 18 for 6 months, so a range breakout targets 22 on the upside.
Tell us about your call options trading plan to potentially profit if Cleveland Cliffs digs up a rally.
All right, let's talk about the option play. An in-the-money option, an April $12 call is trading for about 4 and a quarter, so it's $3 in the money. The expiration break even on this is only $1 away with 6 months of time. Now, this option's only $50 more expensive than the January option, but you get twice as much time to be right.
Thanks, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.